Virtual environment is easy to deploy and destroy without impacting your main environment, unless your main environment consists of virtual machines. Virtual machines have a single drawback that is hardly mentioned. It is performance. It is okay to deploy virtual machines in development or quality assurance departments. Please review your production environment and measure the performance. If it is low, that may be an indication that the production environment does not have enough traffic, and it is time to review what is being offered in the production environment, and business decisions must be made at that time. There are several periods in the business life cycle of a company. Nobody expects the company to be successful on the first day. It takes some time. However, if the business is not bringing money after a while, maybe it is the wrong business. One of the reasons for that would be that people are not ready for that. Or maybe the business is ahead of its time and it will take longer to make the business successful. Or the business is no longer valid, and the time is to close it. To close the business is not a decision that is made lightly. So many people and perhaps their families depend on the success of a business. However, virtualization makes a lot of sense for the development and QA environments where the changes need to be tested. And utilization is light and predictable. It depends on users who test the changes. It lowers the total cost of ownership for the company and allows testing changes quicker. However, in a production environment, full system resources are needed and virtualization resources may be used after a careful analysis of systems utilization. If it is low, then the question may be asked why it is so low in production. Some companies decide to offer technology similar to virtualization. Such companies make hardware available on demand when it is needed. It may be needed in the data centers or to the developers to test the latest changes. Expression "it works on my machine" is not a sufficient answer. The changes are supposed to work in a production environment and work reliably.